The Belkin Difference. Pioneer in innovation and technology for over 35 years. 10x stronger than standard USB-C cables. Universally compatible with USB-C devices. Constructed from premium materials for ultimate durability. Flexible strain relief absorbs stress from bending to prevent breakage. Leather strap with snap keeps cable neatly coiled and tangle-free. Top reviews from the United States. iPad Pro 12.9 compatible. I could not find a cable that would work for my iPad Pro 12.9 2018 or iPad Pro 2020. I was tired of buying cables that other reviewers confirmed that worked, but they really didn't. The seller listed this as working with iPad Pro and it really did. It is substantially more expensive, but if the cheaper cables don't work, they aren't worth any money at all. I have a charging block with 1C connection and 9A connections. I have a MacBook and 2 iPad Pros, so it is nice to be able to charge more than one of them if necessary at a time. The C fitting is extremely tight and precise. A cheaper cable I bought had a huge C plug that was a struggle to put on and pull off because it felt so imprecise. The cable is thick and the leather strap is a nice touch. I need to upgrade my briefcase to match.